We are providing online PTE free coaching. Subscribe our YouTube channel for latest material. Does the university have an ice hockey team? Doing this research makes me think of the purpose of science.
Don't forget to do a campus tour on the first week of your semester. Don't forget to hand in your assignments by the end of next week.
Dr. Green's office has been moved to the second floor of the building. During that period, heavy industry grew rapidly in the north of the country.
During the next few centuries, London became one of the most powerful and prosperous cities in Europe. Eating too much can lead to many health problems. Economy of scale is the increase in efficiency that occurs when more goods are produced. Electric cars are the future of transportation as they promise a cleaner environment. African elephant is the largest land-living mammal. Environmentalism is a category in which universities are competing. Essays should be typed with double space on white paper. Even with the permit, finding a parking spot on campus is still impossible. Every year, students pass biology course easily. Exam results will be available next week from the course office. An extra lecture is about to be scheduled at the end of this week to assist you with revision. Factors such as cost and function influence the design of the bridge. Farmers do not always receive market price for agricultural goods. He is almost never in his office. I must see him before he flies out to London for a week. I need more quotations to back up my argument. I spoke to him in English, but I couldn't make myself understood.
Subscribe our YouTube channel for latest material and PTE tips and tricks. Best luck for your exam.